Hey Artland, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests for Ultraman lately, and I'm going to see what we can do and see if we can kind of make a cool drawing of this. Now, he's pretty tall, so we're going to start at the top of the paper, and I'm actually going to begin with his head. So starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, then it's going to come to a point, and it's going to round off at the top. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and it's going to come right to here. I'll do the same thing over here, just kind of curve out, and then we're going to come right down to here. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to go down. It's just going to curve around to here. Then we'll do the same thing, just kind of curve around and come up to a point. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line, kind of like a smiley face. I'm going to draw a little line down here and a little line down here. And then I'll make a little curved line right here for the lips. Now for the ears, draw a little line that goes down, out, and then comes back in. Same thing, out, down, and then goes right back in. And I'm just going to take this line all the way down here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line on this side and a little line on this side. And then I just want to kind of curve it right around. Next, we're going to make a little line over here, and then just a little line over here. Now, starting here, we're going to try to put him in one of his little famous poses. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up, and it's going to come down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes across. And when I come out to here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes in. Little line that goes out for his thumb, and then we're going to kind of curve up to make the hand. Make a little line that kind of curves back to here. And then one more that curves right to there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line for the shoulder, just a little bit. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up. We're going to curve it around for the hand. Draw a little bump over here for the thumb. We're going to go down and then kind of out like that. I'm going to jump over this one, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to kind of curve down for the elbow and come up. Little line that goes up, and then we're just going to kind of curve back. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. And then over here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down. Little line that goes out and in, and then we're going to go out like this and in. Same thing here, we're going to go out in just a bit, and then out and then in like this. Down here, we're going to kind of round it off. And then same thing here, just kind of round it off. I'm going to go out and in, and then up here. We're going to go in, out, and then up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two little curved lines. And then we kind of want to add his little uniform that he's got. So starting here, I'm going to add a curved line, and then another one over here. Line that goes up and down, and then another one that goes up and down. Line right here that goes up and down, and then another one here. I'm going to add some little curved lines right down here. Now starting here, we're going to add a curved line here and then one up here. Then I'll add a little line over here. Right in the middle of his chest, we're going to put a circle. Going to make a line that goes down and it's going to curve up. And another one that goes down and curves up to here. Little line's going to curve, go down, kind of curve around and come up. And then right here, we'll make a little line that goes down and then it's going to curve up. I'm going to put just a couple little detail lines right around here on his body. A couple little kind of broken lines right here. A couple little broken lines here. Some around the feet and some on the legs. And there you go. There is your drawing of Ultraman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.